What's going on, guys? My name is Steven Sampaga, Steve Sam, and this is my Hot Wheels Virtual Legends Tour entry, hashtag Hot Wheels Legends. So this is Sally. I've had her since 2006. And yeah, we've been doing like light mods here and there, but we took it serious about 3 years ago when we really wanted to take her to SEMA. We went to SEMA 2019 with color bond paint. For the interior, we had to rip out all the parts, pull out every single piece that I wanted to paint blue, sand it, prep it, and paint it with color bond paint. Look at this dash, the center dash. It is blue, looks amazing. The black and blue combination really flows with the overall aesthetics and the goal of this build, which is to be beautiful and functional. For the engine, we had to rip out our VQ35DE. The engine actually did explode at about 160,000 miles. We went with an LS3 6.2, just simply because the power, man. Simplicity, the power, and how beautifully it can be modified. As you see, as far as aesthetics, we didn't keep it a plain Jane LS3. We have a bunch of bolt-on parts here. This engine is married with a Tremec T56 Magnum close ratio. It's good for about 800 horsepower. The overall goal for this build is about 800 to 1,000 horsepower, so we're on track. Thank you guys for taking the time to check out our 2006 Nissan 350Z. If you want to follow our personal Instagram, make sure you check us out at Steve Sam. If you want to see more builds like this and other builders' journeys, make sure you check out the Instagram Beyond the Build and also our YouTube Beyond the Build. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next car show. Take it easy, guys. Peace.